If you want to start making money as a total newbie in tech, I've got 5 skills I can actually learn and get onto making money online as a total newbie in the tech industry. Right? So tech is really, really evolving. There are a lot of ways you can actually make money online as a tech person. And in this particular video, I'll walk you through and I'll share with you 5 skills that are easy to learn, and you can learn these skills for free. And once you've learned the skill, I'm going to show you how to make money online with the skills. And I'm going to walk you through and I'm going to show you what you must know. Remember, there are 5 easy tech skills to start making money online as a newbie, as a beginner. I'm going to walk you through this. I'm going to show you the first skill, and I'm going to show you how to learn the skill for free. Not just that. Once you're done with learning the skill, I'm also going to show you how to make money online with these skills. Now let's get onto this without further ado. Right, so the first thing we're going to be looking at is graphic design, right? So you can actually learn how to design, graphic cards, banners, whatever, anything that has to do with graphics. You can learn how to design graphics with a particular software that is easy to use. You can actually navigate around the software. It's really, really easy to use. Now, this particular software, this particular tool is called Canva. Now, you can actually access this particular tool for free. Yes, it has the free features and it has the premium features. But in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to get the premium feature for free, right? And with the premium feature, I'll also show you how to learn how to use this tool. You may know how to use this tool already, but then there are better ways that you can actually use this tool. And once you provide your graphics work, it's going to look like a professional design while you're using Canva to design your stuff. Right? So the how to get this pro tool for free, we're going to look at this particular video here. So once you go to YouTube, type Canva Pro for free, the Grind Academy. Remember, type Canva Pro for free, the Grind Academy. Once you type it in, you're going to come over here. We'll have this first video. I made this video like a year ago, and I showed guys how they can actually access Canva for free by using the strategy I showed here, and it works 100%. So you want to use this. You don't want to spend money and get access to Canva Pro, right? So do this, and once you've done this, now you want to know how to be able to use your Canva for to design magnificent images, appealing graphics, right? You're going to use YouTube to learn this as well. Now, before I show you where to learn this for free, I'm going to say this, that YouTube is really, really a gold mine. There are a lot of courses, there are a lot of skills you can actually get on YouTube for free. But then people do not know, so they just go on YouTube and they watch videos, and at the end of the day, they while away the time without learning the important things. You can learn a lot of skills on YouTube. Now, to learn this particular skill on YouTube, once you've gotten your Pro Canva tool, be sure to do that first. Go to this particular channel, Team Ron, right? Team Ron is actually this guy who owns this particular channel right here called Design with Canva. So over the years, he has been able to accumulate about 783 videos. I mean, these videos are like quality content. Every day he drops quality content on how to design with Canva for free, right? So the videos here can actually help you learn how to design with Canva for free. So be sure to check out Design with Canva on YouTube. Once you check it out, you're going to learn how to design with Canva for free. Now, before the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually get to the point where you start making money online with the skill you've learned. Because it's one thing to actually learn the skills, have the skills, but then it's another thing to actually put into action what you've learned and make money with it. It's another thing to convert your skill into money. And that is why you're here. You want to convert your skill to money, all right? So once you've done that, we're going to look at the second skill that you need to learn. So the second easy tech skill that you can actually learn as a beginner, to make money as a beginner, is designing websites with WordPress, right? So yeah, you can actually design websites by writing codes, writing millions of codes. But then, as a beginner who is willing, who wants to make money immediately, all right, this is not me saying, not advising you to go learn how to design by coding. This is me saying that while you learn how to design coding, or before you start learning how to design coding as a beginner, who wants to start making money already, you can actually learn how to design websites with WordPress, right? So it's basically doing what we call drag and drop. I do this, right? I design websites for my clients, and I make a lot of money doing this. You can also do the same thing, replicate the same thing, and get a better result or the same result that I have. So I'm going to show you where the go-to place where you can go to learn is actually still on YouTube, but this is a go-to place. I mean, someone can actually get to you and calm down and learn from them. You're not going to learn from them alone. I mean, I tell you for sure, you're going to like learn from a lot of persons on YouTube. So, but the first person which you want to listen to and learn from is this person right here. So just go to YouTube. On your search bar, search for Learn WordPress Designed with YouTube. You're going to save this course right here. It's an 8 hours complete course WordPress tutorial for beginners. It's going to help you get to the point where you learn the skill, the nitty-gritty is about WordPress and how you can design. Now, someone might be asking, how do I design? How do I learn the skills without getting certifications? Now, the truth is, people do not want to know if you're certified or not. Your clients would not want to know if you're certified or not. They want to know what you can actually offer. If you can learn the skills properly and you can offer them diligently and well and stand out, you're going to get hired and you're going to get paid. And just like I told you guys earlier on this video, I'm going to show you how to start making money online with a skill or with these 5 skills. It's because it's one thing to learn these 5 skills and it's another thing to make money online with these skills. All right, so let's look at the third one. So the third easy tech skill that you can actually learn is virtual assistant. You can actually become a virtual assistant and make money off it. Basically, what does a virtual assistant do? So a virtual assistant is a self-professional who provides remote administrative, technical, or creative support to clients. So basically, if you're going to be a virtual assistant, you're going to be providing support to clients. There are people out there who are doing stuff on that is online and they need support. They need to assist them with one or two things, and you can actually get to the point where you assist them with the stuff they need as a virtual assistant. And I'm going to show you a particular website which you can get onto and learn this and get to become a virtual assistant. And not just that, they're going to certify you. They're going to certify you that you're a virtual assistant. So the website which you can actually get onto to learn this for free, but you must promise yourself to be dedicated, right? Is ALX Africa. alxafrica.com. So once you go to the platform, search for programs. Once you get to the programs platform page, you're going to see different courses here. But then we're looking at this one. We're looking at virtual assistant, and you get gain in-demand skills to fast track your career as a virtual assistant. Once you apply, they currently have this program going on where they allow you to apply for free and actually learn this course for free for a period of 6 weeks or more. Right? So you apply, you learn, you get certified, and you get to making money online. Now, in this particular course, they're going to show you how to make money online. But remember, I already promised you that I'll show you how to make money online with these skills. So at the end of the day, I'm going to show you how to make money online with those skills right here. So the next skill we're going to look at right here is social media management. There are people who want their social media accounts to be managed. We have people who are into Web3, looking for people who are going to manage their Telegram channels. We have people who are looking for people to manage their channels on YouTube, their channels on their pages on Facebook, their accounts on Instagram, their pages on Instagram. These are people who own businesses online. They want assistance. They want you to manage this. And basically, then you're not going to be doing much jobs. You're going to be like providing them with social media assistance, replying messages, and all that. And it's not a hard thing to do. It's such an easy task to do. And with this is actually gold mine, because for most companies out there that are going to hire you, they're going to pay you weekly, and it's at least $50 per week to $100, $200, $300 per week. It could go very, very high, depending on what your portfolio says and your experience in the game. So where can you learn this? Where can you learn this? How do you want? If you want to become a social media manager, Flick is the actual guy that you can actually go and learn from. Just go to YouTube, search for Learn Social Media Management for free, and you're going to see this guy here. His name is Flick. His channel name is Flick, sorry. And you can learn how to become a social media person in 10 minutes, right? A social media managing person in 10 minutes. You can actually go ahead and check other channels right here. Check other channels. Look at this guy, Adam Walsh. He owns a playlist actually that is just centered around social media management. So you can take your time and learn from him. Or you could go ahead and buy courses if you want to buy a course. You could check on Udemy, you could check on Coursera. The places you can actually get into and learn how to become a social media managing person. All right, so that is it for this one. Now we're going to go to the next one. And the next one we're going to go over to is content writing. Content writing. Now, if you can write clear and engaging sentences, you can start content writing, right? If you can write stuff that can actually help people, could be information about a particular product, it could be information about but something, not necessarily a product, could be anything. If you can write something, find a niche on something and write. That is for you. You want to be self-employed. Now you can actually get to the point where you write for people and then make money off this. You can learn content writing. If you're writing already, you can actually learn content writing because it's easier when you write already. I mean, when you're born writers, it's actually easier. But then you can learn it on YouTube, or you can actually get the course, pay for the course, and if you really want to pay for the course, and then get to the point where you make money off it. So this is actually the last one, but I'm going to take my time explaining this one and explain how you can make money off it. So aside being employed by a company, aside being employed to write for a company, you can actually write for yourself. So you can actually get to the point where you get blogs, you write your blogs, you write your content, you publish. And now, how do you make money off your content as a writer? You can actually get to the point, if your blog gets very, very popular, you can actually do what we call guest posts. People want to post on your blog because they want to have backlinks. And then they post on your blogs, they pay you to post on your blog. That's one way to make money online. Now, if you've niched down and then you're writing for a particular niche, let's say it has to do with tech and other stuff. People who are around tech, let's say it has to do with finance. Now, people who have products that is on finance will want you to write about them. So you write about them on your blog, and then in return they pay you for writing about them. Now, also there's something we call Google AdSense. Right? So if you're writing on your blog, you actually get to the point where you get monetized by Google AdSense. Sorry, you get monetized, and then from that monetization and engagement on your blog, you get paid. So that is it for content writing. Now I'm going to go over all the things I've mentioned here, even content writing, and then tell you how to make money with this. So if you watch this video so far, it means you've actually been paying attention. It means I've been offering you value. So if at this point you've not subscribed, you're just seeing our channel for the first time, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon. Now what that does is that when we publish awesome videos like this, you get notified, all right? So now I'm going to go right now and share with you guys how to get to the point where you start making money online with these platforms. So if you want to start making money with these platforms, you can actually start doing what we call remote jobs. There are platforms like Fiverr where you can actually get onto, sign up, input your skills. Like there are people who are looking for people who are going to offer them their services. You can go to these platforms and offer these services as a copywriter, as a content writer, as a social media management person, as a virtual assistant, as a website designer with WordPress, using WordPress as a graphics designer. Right? So you can get to Fiverr, you can get to Freelancer. Freelancer is another platform. You have Freelancer, we also have Truelancer, right? You have Truelancer, we have remote.io. These are places you can actually get up to and sign up. We have People Per Hour, right? These are places you actually get into. So I've mentioned like 5 different platforms you can actually get onto and make money online offering this particular skills. I said People Per Hour, I said Fiverr.com, I said Freelancer, I said we also have freelancer.co, right? And remote.io, right? So these are platforms you can actually get onto and sign up. So in our next video, we're going to be making a detailed guide on how to sign up on these platforms so that you're going to get clients as soon as you sign up on these platforms. All right. So if you're interested in the next video, if you've gotten value so far, be sure to leave this video with a subscribe button. Subscribe right now Drop a comment. If you have questions, opinions you want to suggest to us, please drop that in the comment section and we'll reply as soon as we can. See you guys on the next one.